Here we go again with the question. Look at this, it's on longitude and latitude. Now what do we have? P and Q are two towns on the Earth's surface on latitude 56 degree north. Their longitudes are 25 degree east and 95 degree east respectively. Find the distance PQ along the parallel of latitude to correct it to the nearest kilometer. Now let's solve this problem. Now I'm going to give you a schematic diagram of the globe and the positions of these two towns on the globe. Work with me. We've got this, something like this. Okay. I have this as the axis of the Earth, the north, the south. This is the equator. Okay, that's what we have there. And we have the east and the west here. Now, what do we do from here? Now, let's look at these points. The latitude is actually 56 degrees north, so we have it up here. Okay, all right. That is the radius. Okay. So, what do we see? The longitudes are this and that. So we have the first longitude. Okay, that's your P, and we have the next longitude, which is what? RQ. RQ. All right, so what do we see? So we're going to draw the shape of that. So we have to find the distance on the parallel of latitude along what? Along parallel of latitude. That's the distance P and Q. PQ. That's what we are asked to find. Now, one thing we need to know is this. When we're looking for the angle difference, if the longitudes are on the same side, we simply subtract the smaller one from the larger one. But if we're having the longitudes on different sides, we do what? We add them up together. Now, on this case, we're having what? Longitude 25 degrees east and what? 95 degrees east on the same side. So, we're simply going to do what? Subtract the smaller one from the what? The larger one. So, we have 25 minus 25. That gives us what? It gives us 70 degrees. That is the what? The angle between them. 70 degrees. Okay? That's the angle between them. Alright, now let's go. What is our formula for calculating distance along parallel of latitude? Here is this. Distance along parallel of latitude. Distance along parallel of latitude. Okay? Is given by this expression. Theta over 360 times 2 pi r. Okay? Now, this our r is what? Is given by this, okay? Pi times r cos alpha. It's on literature you see that cos phi, cos gamma, whatever. It is just this actually denotes what? The common latitude which they have. That's that. So now let's compute our values and solve this problem quickly. So what do we have? We have 70 divided by 360 multiplied by what? 2 times 22 over 7, 6400, then what? Plus what? 56. So now let's go. Now let's go solving this problem. Let's quickly go solving this. Alright, I'm going to do it this way. My 0 cancels this 0. 7 here 1, 7 here cancels out. 2 here 1, 2 here many is 18. 2 here is 9 and 2 here is 11. So I simply have 11 times 6400, then cos 56 is 0.7592, all divided by what? All divided by 9. Now, if we carry this out, if we compute this in our electronic device, we're simply going to have approximately 4374 in kilometer. Approximate value, because we have to find what? To the nearest kilometer. This is how we solve problems on parallel latitude. Take note of this. See you now next time.